Hi, good morning everybody. It's snowing here in Canada. I'm in Markham Road. Snow. Is it that nice? Start to snow now. It's the first time to snow. So we're going to Markham Road. It's white now. It's November 28, 2021, and it's 7:30 in the morning. Look, snow. The snow are dropping there. Snow everywhere. It's not that bad. It's not cold when the snow comes. It's not cold. But later on, maybe tomorrow, it will be so cold. It's very, very cold. Look at that. White. That's the retirement home. Scarborough Retirement Home. And this is a Christ Church of Scarborough. It's the Anglican church. So this is Scarborough and snow. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Scarborough Retirement Home. Scarborough Retirement Residence. And that's the Saint Boniface Church. Let's go near there. Hello, good morning. It's a snowy day. This is Sunday, snowy day. See how dark is it? The snow are falling. It's falling now. Is it that amazing? It's all white. And that's the snow. Hi. Oh yeah, I'm enjoying the snow. Are you going home? Yeah, it's nice. This way. Is it the first day of snow?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's birthday.
You like to video too? It's nice. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, the trees. It becomes white now. This is a real December Christmas. Yeah, see? Nice. See you. It's a little bit cold. let's enjoy watching the snow. It's becoming more and more and more when the snow is until in the afternoon. And so they have to shovel around there, because when you step it's so slippery and the ice will become thick and stuck to the ground. So I think the shoveling truck is coming soon. I'd like to watch this snow fall from above there. I don't know, maybe 2 centimeters and for today. And I'm saying, have a great day, have a good one, and have a happy life. Thank you. Have a good day. Hi everyone. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon, November 28, 2021, Sunday. And it's the first day of snow, and it's become 5 centimeters later on. Now it's still snowing, and you can see here on this 10th floor the Scanthorpe Road, Malvern Road, that's Scanthorpe Road, and this is Milner Avenue. And over there is the Shepherd, but you cannot see it. You can see only the cars. And it's all white because of the snow. And as you can see, the road is not too bad because they put the salt in the morning. And so that's how it looks like when there's a snow here in Toronto, Canada. It's Christmas time later on, that's why it's snow. And we can move in here. And that's along McCowan Road. And let's go this way to Milner and Markham Road. Oh, you can't see it clearly. Okay, and I have to go down a little bit. And here is the good view. This is in Scarborough. So they will clean this place right here.